This is how I spend a lot of my days. Trying to do work, but end up with a sleeping baby. So when we first took the camper out, we ripped the fridge out and it ripped the whole front face off of the cabinet for there. So I just finished rebuilding it. Used pretty much the same stuff that was in there. It's really light, it's really thin, and it's kind of flimsy, but keep down on weight. Now we just gotta do the countertops for this and move it all in. Cool table.
It looks custom. Did you make it?
I didn't make it.
You did. Some hot ass girl.
This hot girl came and made me this table. It's custom.
She's pretty good.
And this one too. What'd you just do?
I accidentally broke the drill bit.
Dad.
Good job. So working on final touches of the camper, we needed to clean everything up. And this stuff right here is the bomb. So since we missed our first deadline, we made a second deadline. We actually booked a whole trip already. And it is right now Thursday, and we leave on Monday, and we still have a decent amount of stuff to do. Right? So it's pretty much just gonna be work. As much as we can, as fast as we can. Right? Right? That's pretty much done. Over there looks great. Drawers, cabinet. Gotta finish building this guy. Oh, hello. Hi! Lizzie, what are you doing? So we have plans to leave tomorrow, and the last thing we have to do is we're waiting for the sink to arrive and just finish this guy up. We've got to stain this, sand it down, and then install a sink over on this side, and then the fridge goes here. So this is the last thing that we have to do, and then the whole rest of the camper's done. We leave in 24 hours for a week-long little test trip. Hopefully we get it all done by then. Oh, we have to. There's no other option. Sink's here. So, sink's in there, fits nicely. Just gotta screw it in and put the fixtures in. So this is 2 different pieces of wood because it wasn't long enough for the whole thing. A few pocket screws in the back and then some wood glue. We'll do some wood filler on it, but sanded it down. Try and make it look nice and flush as one piece when we stain it. Today is the day that we leave. It's 8:30 in the morning, and I've got to finish the sink. So we're gonna bang that out real fast, get our last minute shopping done, and Finish the camper before we leave at noon. We leave today. Here we are at Lowe's buying some last minute stuff.
West Day.
So I had to drill extra holes in here because this was a single guy. Made it work. I'm gonna put it in there and leave. There you have it. 3 o'clock. Just put in the last thing. And now we're gonna finish packing the car and hit the road. So, all done. And if you're watching this, we're already on the road. Next time you see us, we will be camping. So here goes the first week trial.